Hi guys, welcome back to another Get Ready With Me. So today's wig is from MyFirstWig. I'm working with the LFW054 wig today. So this is what it looks like. When the wig came, it came freestyled. It came with a natural hairline and it came pre-bleached as well. But I decided to go in and tone the hair a bit more just so I can have like this ash brown thing going on right here. So you know, now I'm just gonna go ahead and install this wig and then I'll be back to style the hair for you guys.
Something without no trust. The rope we might be looking too low. What for? I don't need to show my love. Baby, my love slow. No, you be jealous, nobody compared to me. Respectfully, but they know they come for free. So you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you're gonna be there for me. Well, I be the 1 or 2 or 3. My life, you go never mess with me.
I feel like I haven't recorded in so long. I have not recorded in so long, so I'm trying to like get back into it. And I always do this, like I would take a break and then when it's time to come back, it's so hard for me to get back into. But this is the construction of the wig, and as you guys can see, it comes with a natural hairline, although it's a teapot lace front wig, as you can see. So it comes with adjustable straps and some combs in the wig as well. So the wig came pre-bleached and it came with a natural hairline as well. So although it's a teapot lace front wig, which means you can only wear it as a midi parting, you can also still decide to do like a flip over, you know, type of thing if you wanted to. I'm just gonna go ahead and install this wig now and then
Maybe I'll be too harsh, I know. I only wanna know how we do. Are you gonna be there for sure? That's only between us alone. I'm a sorrow, book off from home. Fuck off in my diary, waru. Now you know how low-key I roll. Don't tell your bros, I'll vibe, you vibe, we vibe. Jealousy, nobody compared to me. Respectfully, but they know they come for free. So you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you're gonna be there for me. Well, I be the 1 or 2 or 3. My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try and you go see.
Okay, so this is what the wig looks like and I'm done installing the wig. So when it comes to styling, I feel like I want to try something different. I've been seeing this style go around and it's the curtain bangs. I don't know if you guys, I'll try and insert a picture right here. So that's what I'm going for today. I've already gone ahead to like cut some layers into the hair, but I think I should have styled the hair first and then cut the hair, but we're here now anyway. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add some curls to the hair using my Remington hair straighteners. So I'm just gonna add some loose curls to the hair, so I'm gonna take the hair in big chunks. Also, when I'm curling the hair, instead of curling away from my face, I'm gonna curl the hair, you know, go in the other direction. So basically so normally I would curl the hair going this way, away from my face, but this time I'm gonna curl the hair going, you know, this way.
You want mess around, try to put it down. If you keep it low, they can spoil it so. Don't catch feelings, oh. Please don't tell us so. show my love. Baby, my love slow, no. Baby, jealousy, nobody compares to me. Respectfully, but they know they come for free. Say you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you gonna be there for me. Will I be the 1 or 2 or 3? My life, you go never.
Whew. I'm so excited. Why am I so excited? Okay, so I'm gonna do the side now and then I'll be back.
Really wanna know how we do. Are you gonna be there for sure? That's only between us alone. I'm a sorrow, who fall for one. Fuck off in my diary, waru. Now you know how low-key I roll. Don't tell your bros, I'll vibe, you vibe, we vibe. Baby, jealousy, nobody compares to me. Respectfully, but they know they come for free. Say you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you gonna be there for me. Will I be the 1 or 2 or 3? My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try and you go see.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna use my fingers and just brush out the curls. I feel like I need to use my hot comb and just make this more defined at the front, but you guys get the gist. Take some hair at the front, like so. And then I'm just gonna cut.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
And then I think I'm going to cut a bit more on this side. Just a little bit more. There we go. I just need to get my hot comb, but I think I'm going to do that once I'm done with my makeup. I think I'm happy with how this looks. Okay, so moving on to makeup now, I'm going to do something so simple. I'm literally going to do my go-to everyday makeup look. And obviously you guys know it's really hot right now. So I'm going to be using the Morphe Skin Tints today. So it's a sheer to medium coverage. And I feel like I've got another shade here, but I feel like this is nutmeg. So there's nutmeg and there's truffle. I feel like nutmeg will be too light for me. So I'm going to go in with truffle. I'm not really going to prime my face just because I'm not going anywhere today. Yes, this is, wow. Okay, so this is my first time trying out this product as well, by the way. And honestly, this is like my perfect shade, okay? Guys, I'm really feeling this skin tint. So it's not a foundation, and this is the one from Morphe. I'm sure you guys have seen the video I did for the Fenty Beauty skin tint, and listen, I love the Fenty Beauty one, but this is actually my actual tone. This is like my perfect shade. So I'm using the shade Truffle. This looks so good. Wow, I really like how my skin is looking right now. This shade is my perfect shade to the T, like literally. I love it. So I'm going to apply my concealer right underneath my eyes whilst I blend out my contour, you know, just so I can get a bit more coverage. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and this is in the shade Tan Neutral.
Nobody compares to me. Respectfully, but they know they come for free. Say you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you gonna be there for me. Will I be the 1 or 2 or 3? My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try and you go see. Maybe I'll be too harsh, I know. I really wanna know how we do. Are you gonna be there for sure? That's only between us alone. I'm a sorrow, who fall for one. Fuck off in my diary, waru. Now you know how low-key I roll. Don't tell your bros, I'll vibe, you vibe, we vibe. Jealousy, nobody compares to me. Respectfully, but they know they come for free. Say you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you gonna be there for me. Will I be the 1 or 2 or 3? My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try and you go see.
I'm going to take my Morphe Filter 13 face powder and just use this to set my face. And I like to use the Morphe M439 brush. Now I'm just going to apply some bronzer. This is the Morphe Glam Bronze in the shade Supreme.
Compared to me, respectfully, but they know they come for free. Say you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you gonna be there for me. Will I be the 1 or 2 or 3? My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try and you go see.
Okay, so my brows are done, and now I'm gonna go in with this KVD eyeshadow stick in the shade Hail Surge. I'm just hoping it's not too light because it's very gold, but I'm not trying to do too much with my eyes today. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that all over my eyelid. I feel like I've applied a bit too much on this eye compared to this one, but I'm just going to go in with a brown eyeshadow. So you can use any brown eyeshadow that you have. I'm using this brown shade right here, and I'm just going to use that to blend around that stick. And to tone down the gold, the shimmery eyeshadow I've got on my lid, I'm just applying some of that brown over it as well. So now I'm going to go into my DFA Cosmetics blush palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here.
Nobody compared to me. Respectfully, but they know they come for free. Say you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you gonna be there for.
I'm going to set my face using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray.
Unless you did try and you could see. Maybe I'll be too harsh on them. They only wanna know how we do. Are you gonna be there for sure? That's only between us alone. I'm a sorrow, book off from home. Fuck off in my diary, waru. Now you know how low-key I roll. Don't tell you.
Okay, so my makeup is done. I'm not really feeling my eyeshadow, but we're just gonna ignore it, okay?
Come for free. Say you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you gonna be there for me. Will I be the 1 or 2 or 3? My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try and you go see.
Okay, so guys, I'm now ready, and this is the finished look. I must say I'm really feeling the bangs. Like, this is something so quick, so simple, but it's really nice, and it's giving me like 90s vibes, should I say. I don't know, you guys let me know down below. But I feel like if you have any old wigs as well that you don't really know what to do, this is definitely a look. Like, this is a look, okay? So like I said, this wig is from MyFirstWig, and you guys can see that even if you decided to just wear the hair as a normal you know, midi parting wig, the lace is definitely a really good lace. But yeah, you guys let me know what you think of this whole look. I really like the bangs and the highlights as well. It's doing something. It's doing a little something, you know. But yeah, you guys let me know what you think of this whole look down below. I'm really feeling myself. Like, this is something different, and I fuck with it. I'm feeling it, like, honestly, it's so nice. So yeah, I'm gonna make sure to leave all the links and list all the products that I've used today in the description box. So please make sure you check down below for anything you'd like to know, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.